Hello and welcome back to Azure Terraformer. Have you ever wanted to be an Azure Terraformer? Like, officially? Well, now's your chance. The Azure Terraformer now supports memberships. This is a great way to officially announce to the world your status as an Azure Terraformer. But it's also a great way to support the channel. This is a labor of love, and every little bit helps. So if you do consider making it official, I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Now, if you want to take your game to the next level, you can become a code ninja, which will give you priority access to me reviewing your code. Just open a pull request on GitHub and assign me as a code reviewer, and your code review request will get priority. Lastly, and this is very, very exciting, the Inner Circle level grants you the ability to book a 1-hour virtual one-on-one meeting with me to discuss your real-world problems and tap into my 24 years of experience with cloud architecture, software design, and automating all the things. So if you're looking for a steady hand to bounce ideas off of with a wealth of experience in architecture and design, consider joining my Inner Circle, and let's make time to solve your problems together. Thank you.